If you want to be an AI engineer in 2025, then you must learn these three AI tools, which will help you get ahead of 90% of the competition. AI is changing the world, and companies are hiring at a record speed. There are a lot of job openings available in the market for AI engineers, but you must have the right skills to be able to land one of these jobs. Hi, I'm Vinod Vishwanathan, and I will show you the three most essential tools used by the AI professionals. I will also tell you why these tools matter and where you can go and learn them. The first tool you should learn is Python. Over 70% of professionals across the world use Python for their AI development work. Python is the most user friendly and beginner friendly model which people can easily learn, and it has the most powerful libraries for AI development. Some of the must know libraries in Python are NumPy and Pandas, used for handling large datasets; Scikit-learn, mainly used for machine learning algorithms. Then we have Matplotlib and Seaborn, which are primarily used for data visualization. You must also run Jupyter notebooks because it allows you to write and test AI code interactively. It is widely used across the industry for research, prototyping, and data analysis. Once you know about Python, the next step is to start learning an AI framework like TensorFlow or PyTorch. These tools will help you build and train LLM models efficiently. If you want to build models for image recognition, chatbots, or speech processing, then these frameworks are a must to learn. Finally, to get a job in AI, you should know how to deploy and where to deploy these AI models. Cloud platforms like Google AI Studio or Vertex AI provide you an infrastructure where you can deploy and run these models at a production level scale. Google AI Studio or Vertex AI is just an example. Every cloud provider has different offerings where you will be able to deploy and run these models. You can even run these models locally on your laptop for development and testing purposes. I have already created a video about this. I will add the link for the same in the I button or in the description below. Please go ahead and watch that video, and you will be able to do a lot of development work on your own laptop. So, to get a job in AI, start with Python, then learn AI frameworks like PyTorch or TensorFlow, and then learn a cloud AI tool like Google AI Studio or Vertex AI. I have added training links about these tools in the description below. I would suggest you to go to a website like udemy.com and buy any random course about any of these tools. These courses in Udemy are somewhere around 400 to 500 rupees, so it will not be very costly. And these courses will give you a step by step guide to learn from beginner to professional level. So it is better to purchase one of these courses for your learning journey. Let me know in the comments below about your learning journey on AI, and also let me know if you land an AI job. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more such AI content. Thank you for watching. Keep learning AI.